Here we are Saturday morning. Boys Point. Hoping for a hit. And there it is! Ha got it! Run! Oh yeah!
Morning, everybody. How do you do? Andy was making just a little video for you. Wanted to catch the strike on his camera, and lo and behold, he did.
Not running hard yet.
Yeah.
Head shaking.
Yeah.
That's a head shakes, not much speed.
You got any shoulders on it?
Probably not. Got a little bit of mass to it, but...
Oh yeah.
Oh, here we go.
There we go.
Maybe it is alright. Alright, we got some muscle to it.
Yeah, there's some muscle to it.
There we go. Okay. Whoa! Oh, it's way the hell back there.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and come around on it. Hopefully I caramba don't get too close to it.
Oh, you bugger. Must be getting to this. Right, there we go. Now we're getting on it. You can swap. You got one on. Double header. Turn the camera off if you need to. Hit the red button.